Mindful focus, enhancing productivity with mindfulness. Start by taking a few deep breaths and bringing your attention to your body and your breath. Allow yourself to fully arrive in the present moment. Bring to mind a task or project that you need to complete. Set an intention to approach this task with mindfulness and focus. Take a moment to assess your physical environment. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure that your space is clean, organized, and free of distractions. Take a few more deep breaths and bring your full attention to the task at hand. Visualize yourself completing the task with focus and ease. Begin working on the task, using mindful breathing to stay present and focused. As you work, notice any thoughts or distractions that arise, but do not engage with them. Instead, gently return your focus to the task. Take breaks as needed, but do so mindfully. Use your break time to move your body, take a few deep breaths, or practice a brief mindfulness meditation. When you have completed the task, take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishment. Offer yourself gratitude and appreciation for your effort and focus. Finally, take a few more deep breaths and bring your attention back to your body and your breath. Notice any physical sensations or emotions that arise, and allow yourself to fully experience and acknowledge them. Practicing mindful productivity can help you stay focused and present while working on tasks, leading to greater efficiency and effectiveness. By approaching tasks with intention and mindfulness, you can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Remember, the goal is not to simply check off boxes on a to-do list, but to cultivate a sense of mindful awareness and presence in everything you do. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.